very recent aerial footage that was shot. You can really start to see the rockwork spires soaring into the sky above the land. A lot of the construction down below is the village of the planet itself on the surface of Batuu. Again, it's really just the massive scope and scale of all this, and the hundreds of people that are coming in every day passionately doing this work tirelessly, and are actually as excited as all of you are to get it done and live their own Star Wars adventures too. Really, really impressive and exciting time for this project. We play this music every morning. We do. It plays in my head all day.
That is awesome. I am so excited. You know, when I